Good day everyone, I'm Hoyu. In this video, I will be showing you this Singapore 1987 third ship series $10 banknotes. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. For third ship series banknotes, they are issued between 1987 to 1999. Now the size for this $10 banknote should be 133 mm times 80 mm. And the printer for this banknotes is TDLR, which stands for Thomas DeLaRue. Now, according to the record, it seems like the notes appear around 1988. And only prefix A/1 to G/58 exists. And there's only one replacement prefix for these notes is Z/1. And it seems like there's actually an uncut sheet of 40, only 100 sheets ever exists. Now, the signature on these notes belong to Dr. Tsu Tau. Forgive me if I pronounce the name wrongly, if any Singaporean is watching this video. Now, I will leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. Please note that the price here is in ringgit, not in Singapore dollar, in case any Singaporean is watching this. And price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now, let's take a look at the notes. Here's how the front of the notes look like. So this one, they use the Pahlavi shape at the front of the notes. This is Tsu Tau signature. It's a Minister for Finance. Let's turn it around. This building is the public housing. Here's the printer name, Thomas DeLaRue and Company Limited. The printer name here. Let me try to zoom it carefully. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the watermark. So here's the watermark. It's how the watermark should look like. If the easiest way to check without using UV light. If it doesn't have a watermark, then there's something seriously wrong with the banknotes. Now I'm going to pause the video again. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Bye.